The following video is proudly presented by MightyOxTrading. All information contained in this video is for educational and entertainment purposes only. It is not financial or investment advice. Good morning and welcome to MightyOxTrading. Happy Wednesday. Hope everyone had a great night. We're ready for a great day. How you doing, Imad? Welcome, Maria. Good to see you. Glad to have you here. Let's take a look at how the markets traded overnight. Shall we? We see ES looks kind of flat. 44.16 for the high. Very flat. 44.06 for the low. So only a 10-point range. NQ high. 15.08. No, I'm wrong. 15,092. Low 15,021, so that's only about a 70-point range. Kappa, 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 coming down. Looks like we have about 120 ticks of range there. Gold is falling. Heading toward that 1900 level. It's down about 10 points. Ultra bond heading up. Making a new daily high as we speak. About 3/4 of a point range. Crude oil. Oh. Big moves at Europe. Or no, a couple hours after Europe. Down and up. Full range there. And a couple of candles. 15-minute candles. Looks like it has about 130 points of range. 140 points of range. Sorry, not points. Ticks. 140 points would really be something. And Mike's working today, so we're good. We're golden. We got news at 8:30, so coming up. Oh, really? Guys, is any... Oh, Oh, that's weird. Okay. Okay, good. Well, sorry about that for the quality. Okay. Worried. Okay, news coming up. Let's look. So Maria, if you're still here, are you new to futures? Are you experienced in trading? Or want to tell us anything about yourself? You don't have to. I'm just nosy. So at 8:30, we have U.S. wholesale inventories, retail inventories, and advanced goods trades balance. And then at the bell, all the major central bank chairmen are expected to speak, including Powell. I have no idea what they're going to talk about. I have no idea if this is going to move the market or not. I don't know nothing. I know nothing. So we'll see what happens then. And we have crude oil inventories. So could be an exciting morning, could be a nothing burger. We don't know. But we see we are coming down here. NQ is moving up for a few hours and then whoosh down. And I should have taken this. I was going to take this purple candle here. I didn't. But it perfectly aligned with the strategy. But alas, there shall be more opportunities. Am I still sounding and looking okay, Imad? I was just asking to make sure I was still sounding and looking okay. You're about quality control, but don't let me distract you from work. Little bounce here. Real quickly, I'm going to answer someone's question on Earn the Trades Discord because I am good at multitasking. Not really, but you know, settings. No help. That's done. Thank you. Big blue candle here. Back up. It's, ouch. Something bit me. About a 10-point candle. Oh, we might have lost Maria already. Or she's just shy. YM, ES all popping up here as well. And folks, if you're enjoying today, well, it's only been 9 minutes, so if you expect to enjoy today's stream, appreciate you hit that thumbs up button for the YouTube algorithm so we can continue to grow. Of course. Another reminder that the 90% sales are still going at both Apex and Bowenox. And the 70% off end of day sales still going at Bowenox. That goes until supposedly until the end of Friday. Sometimes they extend it or forget to turn it off. Air quality down here in central Illinois is absolutely terrible. Canadians keep using big fans to blow their smoke down here apparently. I'll have to make a complaint to RJ about that. I should like complain to CFT. So it bounced up, it hit that 100 EMA, trying to just kind of hemming and hawing around that area. And bouncing back off. We do have that little bit of news coming up in a little over 15 minutes. Copper still falling here. Not afraid of falling. See what did agriculture do overnight? Oops, it's soybeans only. Boop, 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 boop. Playing with a new indicator. Ooh, looks like soybean oil is coming down all night. Oh, nice fall in soybeans. Corn's a little up and down. Bounce there again on NinjaTrader. So we sit and wait for our opportunities. Though again, forming. Let's see how it goes. Still has a little over 3 minutes on it. It's been kind of stagnant here for a little while. Gold has been. Yes, playing with coming down here as well. Possibly here. Yep. And you trying to break through the 20. It's a slow grind. Grind. Hey, Crypticon, how's it going? Crypticon, no going to the park today to feed pigeons. The air quality's too bad. Pushing up. Gold. Yeah, nice little pop down there on gold. Good job, IMAD. Oh, awesome, Crypticon. Congratulations. Nice job, Crift. Good job. This slow grind, choppy grind here. You got this, Crypticon. You got it. This is boring right now. Boring. Boring. Summer is here, and MightyOx is turning up the heat with huge sales on both intraday drawdown accounts and end-of-day accounts. Which do you prefer? If you prefer the intraday drawdown accounts, get 90% off their option 1 accounts. That's the 25K all the way up to the 250K account size. Use code MOT90. Do you prefer end-of-day drawdown? Well, it's unusual to see 70% off sale anywhere on end-of-day drawdown accounts, and you can get it on their 25K, 50K, or 100K account sizes. Use code MOT70. MightyOx, invest in yourself and get funded. Remember, you can have up to 11 funded accounts. Get one, get 11, but get some and invest in yourself. It would be nice if it did work that way, Crypt. Of course, companies will go out of business quick, but it would be nice. Hey, Sid. How's it going today? Great. Hey, Matt. How are you doing? We're trying to break the 20 here. Trying to break the 20. Slow grind up. News in a minute. Not. I don't think it's gonna move the market, but I've been wrong before. It's just wholesale and retail inventory. So morning, John boy. Morning, Pa. Oh, sorry. Yep, no movement at all, at least yet from the news. Wholesale inventory is negative 0.1, which is right on the expectations, and retail inventory is 0.0. Hey, John. Yep. I guess it's a whole bunch of this different country central bank people. How you doing today, John? How's the algo running? Just remember the Crypticon that the yolk is actually the most healthiest part of the egg. So an hour from the bell, an hour until central bankers start yapping. Right now we're choppy. Crude oil's been coming down. Natural gas coming up. Oh wow. So Ultra Bond on its open spiked up big. I have this the wrong spot too. Gold still hanging as toward its low there. Copper hanging around its low as well. And the currencies have been coming down. Beautiful, John. I'll make sure Ace sees it, Crypt. Yeah, it's been very choppy. Not every day, Crypt. A couple times a week usually. That explains why the currencies are coming down. Pulling back here. It's a big purple candle. I don't know. We're short. Oh, I'm not logged in. How about that? Ow. Where else are we logged in at? Why does it think I'm logged in? Why is it logged in over here? Oh, ever log in over here. There we go. 48 is resistance. Great. I'm in at 51, so it's got to break through that resistance, hopefully. Nice. I can't trade DAX. DAX. It's a trading maniac. Oh no. It's John. Remind us what the DAX is. Oh yeah, that's right. It's German stock exchange. The index, kind of like the Nasdaq or the ES, the ESRNQ, etc. You can actually trade DAX on Blue Sky if you pay for the extra data. You gotta pay extra for the data fee, but you can trade the DAX. You can also trade it on Tradovate on Apex as well. Again, you gotta pay for the extra data. Nice. So I saw an ad for a prop firm a day or two ago that allows you to trade crypto. Really expensive though. Like not crypto futures, actual crypto. They offer like 250 cryptos you can trade. But it's like $549 for a 100K account. 50.050 is where we're sitting. ES is sitting at 44.10. Yeah. Crypto to, excuse me, crypto to me is like the wild, wild west. So, I mean, like, even if I want to spend that much money on a prop, I don't, trading crypto just doesn't entice me. There we go. A little bit of a break below that 48 that IMAT pointed out. Oh, back up. Push down quick and then right back to it. There we go. Come on. If it gets down to 46 and kind of recoils. It's trying. I have my profit target right at the basically the low of this candle here. Make adjustments if I feel I need to. My target's at 41 even. Huh? Does not want to seem to get below 43 right now. Trying again. It's 42. There we go. Target hit. Nice burst down. So there we go. 10-point win right there. And it's still going. Thank you. Thank you. Yeah, the 1 minute up over here. What am I? I'm not sure. Saw that back here, like this area. I mean, this is the 1 minute. I'm not sure what I'm looking at though. 8:05. That's 7:05 my time. Okay, yeah. I see. Yeah, I gotcha. Thank you, John. Thank you, Crypt. Bouncing a bit here. So got out good spot. Just need 3 more of those today. Yep, coming back down. We're coming on down. So 1 for 1 on the morning. Hopefully we can continue that. About 45 minutes till the bell. 15 minutes until the top of the hour. The energies market's open then. What's crude doing? Crude's bouncing. Bouncing crude. You know how hard it is to make oil bounce? It just kind of blobs there when you throw it. It's all over your hands. Yeah. Ultra bond. Pull back. Looking kind of wonky. No JC yet. Hopefully the smoke hasn't killed him. He's up in Wisconsin. Gold, little bounce there. Still nothing to write home about. Copper, nothing to write home about either. Not that you would write home about the movement of an assets. Dear mom and dad. Copper moved 3 ticks. Send money. Love you. Ah, nice. Bounce back up here. See, ES came down at the same time. Same trigger candle there. YM also came down but did not send a trigger. Getting a trigger on the 1 minute chart, but yeah, yeah, yeah. I should have listened to that 1 minute chart. Now it's the 5 minute sending a signal. If I had taken it off the 1 there, I would be up 5 points. And now there's a bounce. It's been on the 1 hour here. It's been dancing on that 100 EMA basically all night long. All night long. Yep. Now we're bouncing a bit. So she hasn't stopped in here lately, but for all you that know Robin, aka For Money, she just posted on the Discord, the MightyOxTrading Discord, her payouts from this year from Apex. Now over $35,000. And she titled it, "When you're wondering why on earth we do this stuff, this is why." $35,000. And that's since February, middle of February. She is in Texas, so with the heat down there, she could literally be on fire. Yeah, she's awesome. So 5 minutes ago till the top of the hour. Anyway, I just was sharing that news to, hopefully inspire everybody. Show that this can be done and can be done profitably. And we're just kind of grindy here. Grindy, grindy, grindy. Try to see if anything else is doing anything fun. Fun, 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 till the daddy takes the teeth out away. Crude oil getting ready for its open. Russell's coming down. Right now, nothing going much on, so we'll see what happens here. We'll see if we get a burst at the top of the hour. Not. We got the bell in 30 minutes and Powell in 30 minutes. Powell, it should be illegal for Powell to speak at the same time that the open happens. Yeah, Powell and other central bankers, that's it for today besides crude oil inventories. Start spreading the news. Crude's not really moving. Yeah, possibly. I mean, I have no idea what Powell's going to be talking about with the other central bankers. Could be all about the strength of the banking sector and all that, where he's not going to say anything that's going to move the market. Or he could say something like, we're going to raise interest rates another 3,000 basis points. And hello, Ace. How's Ace doing today? Crypticon said hi earlier. He wanted me to let you know he said hi in case he wasn't here when you got here. So 1 for 1 today. Hopefully we can continue that. Right now I'm not really moving any way I want. So we'll just hang out here. Let's see. Crude did bounce up. Nice. 31, 32. Excuse me, ticks. Don't know why I have the hiccups. Ultra bond still pulling back down to its 20. Gold not doing anything at all. Copper really not doing anything at all. Why the? Yes, it is. We do have oil inventories later today. Big move up, 50 ticks. Natural gas going the opposite direction. Ooh, big move down. Big candle down 11 points. Out of the blue all of a sudden. Look at this fall. 15 points. Bouncing up a bit. It got down to 31. Forget what our low day. Low day 21. It's been a tight range all night. Gold's popping finally? Yeah, a little bit. Not much. Still kind of stagnant. Silver's popped. About 20 minutes to the POW bell. Not cowbell, but POW bell. We do not need more POW bell. You know, sometimes I wonder if y'all think I'm intoxicated when I'm talking. I'm not. That was kind of a trigger candle, but I did not like that wick. That bounced off the bands. Let's see if it's going to prove me wrong that I should have taken it. All right. Okay, so are you like? Oh, okay, I got you. I got you. I was gonna say, are you actually shorting it, or you're just looking at it longly? Yes. So that's yeah. The way it's on the schedule is it's four different central bank chairmen or presidents: Bailey, Lagarde, Powell, and I don't know how to pronounce the last one. UEDA speak. So I assume that they're not all going to speak at the same time because that'll be kind of weird. So I don't know exactly what the schedule is. It's the Europe Central Bank Forum on Central Banking. It's currently going on in Portugal. So that's the venue. Gold. Oh yeah, big drop there. New low a day. Hard to predict that one. I mean, it's been coming down, but just being so purple candle there that could have potentially been something an entry. Maybe it's sell. Look at the way it was just holding on to that 20 EMA. Ah, hit your live buttons for that. That explains why it was hanging up there. Hopefully we're okay now. Also might need to change your settings because for some reason when it just delayed like that, my settings went from 1080 to 144. So if the quality looks crappy right now, make sure your settings didn't change to a lower quality setting. Wonder if Comcast is screwing up now. Let me go do a speed test. I can honestly say that since I got the upgraded modem and they upgraded the speeds, I have not had much problems. I'll probably blame the smoke. Download speed's good. Upload speed looks good too. 444 down, 113 up. Make sure you hit your live button to get back to the live, which can sometimes put you on a delay after a white circle. That sound you just heard was my phone hitting the floor. Let the bodies hit the floor. Let the bodies hit the floor. Oh, sorry. Yeah, we're very choppy here. I think the market's a little bit scared of Powell as well. And wow, gold bounced, big bounce. I like big bounces, and I cannot lie. Crude oil is still trying to head up. Copper made a new daily low. Wow, a little bit of a white screen, white circle there, and everybody runs away, down to 12 viewers. I could have got a 5 point scalp out of that, but I don't like trying to scalp for 5 points. Bouncy, bouncy. I'm gonna take a quick nap. Wake me up when the bell rings. Oh, wow, gold really bounced. So it went down to 1913.1 and bounced all the way up to 1916.8. Eyeing, watching both work, Ahmed. Yeah, but it would have been an annoying point. Yep, slowly, just waiting, watching, seeing where it wants to go. With the bell looming and the pow in the wait as well. I don't know. Well, there's a nice pop. 7 points. Gold pulls back. Everything is choppy here. New low of the day for copper. Ultra bond down to 20. Crude oil still undecided what it wants to do with its life. We're gonna have to wait for the bell and for Powell. The market is scared. The market is shaking in its boots. I'm not even sure what size boots the market wears. Up and down, up and down, up and down, up and down. Yeah, I agree with that, Matt. I think we're gonna see a kind of a holding pattern. But we're seeing a little bit of a, up and 5 points up, 5 points down now. But yeah, there apparently is a feed for, yeah, uh, Financial Juice has put up the YouTube feed for this central banking forum thing. They're all going to be talking at podiums. Like, I guess, I don't know if people are going to be asking questions or what. but I see podiums on this YouTube feed. I will not be listening to the YouTube feed because whenever I try to listen to something and stream at the same time, I get all discombobulated. And a discombobulated ox is not a good thing. A little over 2 minutes to go. Down here, which is the direction we've been going. You can see we've been in a downward mode for about 2 hours. Let's get ready to rumble. 45 seconds. Ten seconds. Ring a ding dong. Glad to hear that, Maria. If you have any questions, don't be shy. We'll be happy to help. A lot of smart people in here. People much smarter than me. Big move up. 20 points. Up to the 100 EMA. Dow's coming down. ES is kind of flat. 3 indices, 3 different directions. Pulling back. Not seeing any headlines coming out of PAL yet. Or the other people. Oh, give it all back. Up and then down. Up to 25 points on this 5-minute candle. Dow's falling fast, 75 points. No RJ today so far. ES is also falling. RJ is here. Now I gotta mark my attendance book. Dow down 81. ES down 3. NQ up 20, but it's pulled back from its high from 61 back down to 47. Yes, Crypticon, they do. Scroll up just a little bit. Nightbot posted the link a few minutes ago. Well, probably about 10 minutes ago. Whoa, big move back up there. A 30-point candle here. Oh, right there. There you go, Crypt. Mean if the fee to activate the performance account? No, that's normal price. Wow, rising up here is still not seeing any headlines. Strong move. Not seeing this. I mean, we're red on ES and NQ. I mean, I'm sorry, ES and YM. There's a big pullback. It bounces back off the 100 and back up. High of the overnight, the Asia session, 15.092. 15.088 was hit a couple hours ago. Nice, IMAD. You've recovered very well since getting your face ripped off. Maybe the trick is to like trade without a face. NQ still rising up. ES showing a possible turnaround. A little bit green there. Awesome. Great job, IMAD. Awesome. Great turnaround.
RJ, when you have a chance that you're not like trying to trade, let us know if there's been any change with your computer issue. As we continue to see the rise up here, that's not really being followed by the other indices. Wow, they're advertised all around, aren't they? Pulling back here some. Yeah, easy trading computers definitely don't seem real easy. Sleazy trading computers might be more like it. It's not easy being sleazy. Still trying. Meanwhile, ES and YM are still red. Burning red. What's agriculture doing? Agriculture is unsure of itself too. Copper still crying. Gold, big pullback. Pulling back there. Crude oil. Ooh, big down on crude as well. But NQ continues to rock and rumble upwards. I think it actually made a new high day. What did I say the high day was? Yeah, new high. Beat the Asia high. Yesterday's high, 139. Not sure how much oomph it has. ES is turning around now. It looks like Dow's trying to consider it. Ace is going long. And Q is about to, yep, there's a break of 15,100. So I did not trust this blue candle, and honestly, I guess there was no reason not to. I'm here looking at it. I guess more or less just because it surprised me, but there was no reason not to trust it.
Oh, nice job, Ace. So we pull back again. Well, there's no headlines that I've seen coming out of that conference. Oh wait, now we got some. The Europe Central Bank guy says that the baseline stands will likely hike in July. Powell says the Fed sees more tightening power coming through. And that might have been what just killed that, that run. Although now the Dow's trying to pop up there while the NQ comes down. I assume he means me, so I'm going to look right now. Huh. I don't see anybody. Um, can you check to see whether or not he's in the server, in the MightyOxTrading server? Because I'm not seeing a second MightyOx. So can you see if you share a server with him? Wow, big move down here. Kind of out with an actual excellent take there. 64 down to 49. Whoever that is almost has to be in this stream as well for them to know you need that you're looking for a trading system. Oh wait, trading system. Okay, they don't mean computer system. They mean like indicators. Never mind. I'm not seeing another MightyOx. I can't find anybody. Yeah, okay, I got you. I got you. Um, does he does it say that he's in the MightyOxTrading server? When you click on mutual servers or whatever? Because I'm not seeing anyone. Yeah, yeah. I know. I'm just saying that, but I'm trying to figure out who he might be. I do not see him in my server because I'll kick him out, but I'm not seeing him in here. Huh. Or if they joined and left again. I really doubt it. So nice move down here. We hit 15,101 and came all the way down to 15,037. So like over 60-point collapse there. Now it's bouncing back up. Fed Powell says I wouldn't take moving at consecutive meetings off the table. We believe there is more restriction coming, driven by the labor market. There's a strong majority for 2 more rate hikes in the dot plot, whatever that means. Now we're bouncing. I appreciate that. Now we're trying to pop up here. Do I want to take any trades here with Powell and the other people speaking? Gold popping up big after making a new low a day. Copper trying to pop as well. Ultra bond popping. Crude oil coming down. Remember, we got crude oil inventories in less than an hour. Yeah, they find a way to like totally clone people's accounts. I don't know how exactly they do that. I don't know if it actually put that there's something that makes it easy for them to do that, or if they actually put in like effort. Choppy. Meanwhile, YM just continues to die here, as does ES. NQ choppy, but YM and ES dying. ES down to 4,400. Nice, Crypticon. uh, yeah, I don't know what to do about it. He doesn't appear to be in the server, so I mean, it's not like I could do anything about it anyway. I reported someone that was cloning me before. Discord did nothing, so RJ, I think it's Ace playing a prank. Just kidding. So yeah, I'm still not seeing anything I want to take here. Well, you know RJ right away that's not me. No, Ace, he's getting a private message, not something actually on the my Discord. They're sending him a private message. Did I say something last night? I don't even remember. Oh yeah, I did. Yes, RJ, Ace joined the Discord. What's shocking, RJ, is it says he's been a member of Discord since August 9th, 2021. So he's been holding out on us for almost 2 years. As we're still choppy. Not much I can do here. I'm not going to take these trades with, you know, let's see. Powell says I haven't seen progress in non-housing services inflation. The guard says I'm not considering a rate pause at the moment. Just kind of waiting. Dow looks like it wants to kind of try and pop up, but it's shy. Where, okay, NQ's. I just don't know whether it'd be foolish to take trades right now. Anybody else taking trades right now? Big candle here, 28 points. We are 1 for 1 on the day for a $200 gain. Now 37.5 minute candle. Still 2 minutes to go. Wow, bursting up 41. Wait, you have a channel, RJ? Okay. I'm now waiting to see whether the other one takes the invite. This will be funny. Meanwhile, big move up here. Got a minute to go in this 5-minute candle. Pulling back big though here. Hit 108, which is the new high of day. Now pull back to 91. ES back up to 4406. Great, great job, Crypt. So he popped up on ES some. Popped up a tad on Dow. And he looks like he wants to continue to try to move up here. Crude oil's bouncing. We're at the top of the hour. Remember, 30 minutes till crude oil inventories. If crude's your thing. If crude's your thing. Say what you want to do. Crude's your thing. Pulling, YM's pulling back down though. Now we're seeing a move down. Did they say something that all bothered them? Lagarde, manufacturing does not give a great hope for a strong recovery. Powell says there's a significant probability we will see a downturn, but it's not the most likely case. That's talking in riddles. I will be back in 1 second. RJ, you should tell the fake ox that he should join the server because there's a bunch of customers there who'll be interested. My music stopped. The day the music died. Back down. This is why I'm not trusting anything. We're just choppy. And if I only make one trade today and it's a positive trade, I'll be happy. I mean, obviously I want more. I want more. Please, sir, can I have some more? But we'll take in what they're giving because we're trading for a living. Oh, trading for a living. Need to put him in a straitjacket. God, that felt good. Wow. Summer is here and MightyOx is turning up the heat with huge sales on both intraday drawdown accounts and end of day accounts. Which do you prefer? If you prefer the intraday drawdown accounts, get 90% off their option 1 accounts. That's the 25K all the way up to the 250K account size. Use code MOT90. Do you prefer end of day drawdown? Well, it's unusual to see 70% off sale anywhere on end of day drawdown accounts. And you can get it on their 25K, 50K, or 100K account sizes. Use code MOT70. MightyOx, invest in yourself and get funded. Remember, you can have up to 11 funded accounts. Get one, get 11. But get some and invest in yourself. Back down to the 20 and the 100 on NQ, and it bounces. Uh, Sorry, did not mean to hit the mic with my thumb. So thanks to Pal and the others. It's a choppy morning. Even looking at the 1 minute, there was really nothing there that I was really comfortable with. There might have been one entry there with a break of the 20, but I don't know. Who is the grandma lady? Is like the moderator of this or something? Like I said, I can't watch. I'll start getting confused. Oh, the guard? Oh yeah, okay. It's Lagarde. I never. I've only ever seen these names. I never like put pictures to them. I didn't even realize that was a woman. Pulling back here again. There's not much to talk about because these people are making everything choppy. That last name, I'm assuming she's French, but I could be a bad assumption. We are just sitting here waiting, watching. That depends whether you consider chairmen of the Federal Reserve and central banks actually good money managers. Hey, Kieran, long time no see. How's it been going? How's the trading going, Kieran? I think you had some goals about getting something set up. I don't know, with a brokerage or something like that. How's that going? Memory isn't the best. Moving down here. Cool. Yeah, that's what I was wondering. Well, bounce here. They're going to try and come back up. The world may never know. 15 minutes to crude oil inventories. Blue candle. I'm considering it. Uh, Still got 3.5 minutes. Eh, it's already a 20-point candle. Reminder, folks, if you're enjoying today's stream, I appreciate if you hit that thumbs up button for the YouTube algorithm. Definitely join us in chat. Say hi. Questions, comments are always welcome. I used to say insults too, but people took that one too much to heart. I had to 30-point candle here. I hate big blue candles. I mean, I hate big trigger candles because oftentimes they pull back on the next candle. You can see this one here worked, kinda. You see it did pull back by over 10 points. This one did not work. This one's now almost 40 points. Awesome. Wow, 50-point candle now. All of a sudden, we're booming up. Good. That's a huge move up. And up to 113, new high a day. ES finally finding some footing up as well. 146. All right. There's 126. No, I have not taken any trades. Need to get rid of that work thing I'm at. It's cramping your style. Hesitating around 120. ES up to 44.10. I haven't seen Andrew Gibson this week. I make sure to call out the ES levels occasionally because he's sometimes listening and relies on them. There we go, up to 128 on NQ. 44.12 on ES. The central bankers are still talking. There's a pullback. Hit 15.130, pull back to 15.110. Big red. Coming back up. Gold finding its footing. Still well off the high day. Ultra bond totally wonky. Crude oil inventories in 5 minutes. New 5-minute candle. NQ trying to come back down to 15.100. Bouncing up. I think he plans to as soon as he can make sure he's consistent enough. Right now, he's like me, where his head gets in the way. Candle here. Candle. Faux up. Without my brain, I would be a millionaire. That would be kind of weird trading without a brain. I do know some traders that seem to fit that. $15,126. Try to rise back up. New high a day. New high a day. Going toward that 146 target of Kieran's. About 10 points away. Excellent call by Kieran here. There's 142. Just got within. Did I just say? Not within about 3 points. Pulling back a bit. Definitely a great call by Kieran. $144. Another little pullback. There we go. Kieran's target hit. So we hit 15,149. And we went above. I see why. Well, we went above yesterday's high as well. And getting close to Monday's high of 152 half. ES still lagging behind those. ES not hit its high 44.16. Yesterday's high was 44.24. Awesome job, Kieran. That's beautiful. By the way, for those that aren't aware, that's Yogi Berra that said that, not Yogi Bear. Actually, and he didn't say about trading. He said it about baseball. Great Yankee catcher. Yeah, Berra, not Bear. That's what I said. Great Yankee catcher. Hall of Famer. No, no, no. Yeah, I was just. You only said Yogi. There was no autocorrect there. You didn't ever say Berra or Bear. I was just in case anyone didn't know Yogi Berra because he is an old-time baseball player. Not everybody follows baseball or even knows the old-time players. I'll just. Yes. Yogi might be as famous for his sayings as he was for being a baseball player. Like when someone served him a pizza and asked if he wanted to cut in 8 or 12 slices, he said 8 because he doesn't think he could eat 12. Ranger's not going to like that, Yogi. We're up to 15,170. ES now up to 44.13. The Dow, though, is just flat. RJ, what's your boy the Dow doing here? I think they've stopped talking. Ace, do you still have the press conference up? Hey, boo boo. I think I smell a picnic basket. What did you do, Crypt? All right, Ace. Have yourself a great day. We'll be here tomorrow, and I know you will be too. Crypticon, what did you do? Oh, you're fine. You scare me. Excellent. Congratulations. Now, how many more trading days do you need? Keep your hands off of it. Trade the apex if you have to trade, but you really need to figure out a way to stop yourself from over trading. Oh, Sid, there you are. I haven't seen you talk in like forever. Well, we're watching the markets just rise now. Apparently, the markets are happy that the old people at this conference aren't saying anything earth-shattering. Another one, Crypt. Idea, Crypt. Are we going to hit 15,200? ES is up to 44.17. Dow's finally finding some movement up. Wow, crude. Look at crude. Inventories of the Strategic Petroleum Reserve is at the lowest level since 1983, causing this huge burst up on crude oil. Crept. The move already happened. Well, it's still kind of happening, but you need a hobby. But don't go outside, Crip. The air quality is too bad. It's really bad down here too. Hopefully it didn't kill JC. No JC today, and it's really bad up in Wisconsin. Chicago had the world's worst air quality yesterday, thanks to Canada. The song "We Didn't Start the Fire" is trending on Twitter. We didn't start the fire. It's always been burning since the world's been turning. Okay, tell me who sings that song besides me. And maple syrup, I thought. Yep, good job, Crypt. Yeah, RJ lives in Canada, Crypticon. He wants to know where you plan on where are you planning on vacationing at? There's still 1 for 1 on the day. Either of these blue candles would have worked, but I loathe taking blue candles when they're into the bands, but it looks like I should have just said, you know what? Let's do it. Especially since they had no wicks on them, very little wicks. This one here had a wick. Looked like it wanted to come back down, but these, no wicks, would have all worked. And I could have just listened to Curon. Seems like it's slowing down. $15,302. Okay. Well, it won't right there while we're on stream, but we can certainly, if you plan on being here tomorrow, we can certainly follow up to see if it got there. Another blue candle trying to form here. We have 15 minutes left to go in the stream. We're up $194 today on one NQ trade. That's after commissions. I believe RJ's in Toronto. John DeFore is also from Canada. I know CFT's in Montreal. Oh yeah. Why was I thinking Toronto? Never mind. No idea. I don't know where Wasaga Beach is. So to the Google I go. 3 minutes ago on this candle, I don't know. I feel conflicted when we get candles up this high. That's not too far from Toronto. We just touched 197, almost to 200. ES at 44.17. Dow 34.039. $199. 199 half. There we go. 15,200 hit. So Kieran thinks we're going to hit three something. 302? Yeah, 302, which would put us way back here. No, that's even higher than that. Back here. Last Tuesday. Hourly candles up 109 points. There you go, Crypticon. Should schedule a little time in your vacation there to meet RJ and spend a day on the beach. All right, 15,192 is your stop. So we hit 207 now. ES back up to 44.18. ES is lagging behind, like I said. It's not. Well, it has reached its high today. I apologize. It has not reached the high of yesterday, but it has had a new high today. High yesterday, 44.24. NQ's blown away yesterday's high and the day before's high. All right, yeah, we got that pullback. I'm curious, RJ, how warm does that water get? I imagine it takes a long time for that water to warm up. Oh, awesome. Yeah, Crypt, and you guys are both on the Discord too, so that's also a possibility. 5 minutes to go. Doesn't look like we can get another trade. So we're going to finish today at $194. Which I'll take because I had down days the last few. So, hey, back in the right direction. As it hangs right below 15,200 ES 44.17. Final looks. Gold came back down. Was choppy all morning. Ultrabond, the crude, got up to 68.66. There's the pullback. I live in a little rundown house in the mean streets of Decatur. So we reached the end of our stream today. I want to thank everyone for joining me. We'll be back here tomorrow, 8 a.m. Eastern Time. Gaggle of news tomorrow, but no Fed speakers. Hope everyone has a great rest of your day, and we'll talk to you tomorrow. Bye. Thank everyone for joining me today. If you've enjoyed today's content, hope you've hit that like button. And if you haven't subscribed yet, I'd love for you to do so and join the herd. As a reminder, we do stream every weekday morning starting at 7:30 a.m. and we usually go to around 11 a.m. We will also love to have you join our Discord community of both veteran traders and newer traders, prop traders and non-prop traders, all interacting about trading and just general stuff as well. In addition, follow our social media for other updates. We're on Twitter at MightyOxTrading, Instagram is the same, MightyOxTrading, and Reddit is r Ox Market Trading. Hope everyone has a great rest of your day, and we'll see you next time.